This is Bat's Head on the Jurassic coast. A classic view with the beach and St Durdle Door beyond, and beyond that St Aldham's Head. Actually, I've never yet photographed up here from this particular spot, so this afternoon I'm going to give it a try. We're waiting for the light to get a little bit lower to the southwest there, but the direction of it should be perfect. I'm going to use a really high viewpoint, as high as I possibly can, to exclude some irritating, distracting detail in my foreground. So I've got the camera on the tripod with the tripod up as high as it can possibly go. That way it gives me a cleaner composition. But of course, at that height, it's too high to see through the eyepiece or even see the live view display on the back. So for the first time this afternoon, I'm going to try utilizing my phone to control the camera remotely. So for the last few months shooting here on the Jurassic coast, I've been using the new Canon 5D Mark IV, which has built-in Wi-Fi. And that feature, which I think is going to prove quite useful, enables me to use the Canon Camera Connect app on my phone to control it remotely. So I'm just altering my composition here using the display on my phone here.
Let's have a look at the phone then.
There. I want to get that bit just in the edge of the frame.
Oh, I see.
I want to come down a bit here. I can focus by just tapping on the screen to select a focus point there.
Okay.
Which is useful. And then when I can adjust my aperture here. So I'm going to set f11 there. Okay. And then when I'm ready to do a shot, I just press that. It's quite a nice light now, isn't it?
It is, it's lovely.
I think the sun's coming through now, so I can stand back here, see the display and press the shutter here when I want to expose a frame. I can also transfer the pictures as they're shot to my phone should I want to. I could then process them in Lightroom Mobile and then send them straight off if I had a good connection. Post them on social media or email them to someone direct from the field. Feels kind of strange. I've spent all my life clutching a cable release tethered to the camera, so this does feel quite different, but I can see it's going to be useful.